Stay on top of your game as you stay active in the Cloudmonster 1 road running sneakers. You'll adore this beautiful textile upper that adds a lot of airflow with this unique mesh-like design and has some synthetic additions giving you pops of color and a very unique design. You'll love the classic lace-up closure that gives you a secure fit and that nice little toe guard while having a higher back for some extra support. There is a breathable textile lining inside to keep things nice and fresh, and this shoe does use CloudTec technology to give you a natural rolling motion so that you can have efficient runs. You'll love the fact that you'll get this super chunky midsole, giving you a lot of shock absorption with an almost futuristic-like design, and you'll love the CloudTec outsole that gives you soft landings and a lot of traction to add grip to each of your steps as you run along.